Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. Now to get started, you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool, which comes provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you're going to pop out the tray, which is located on the same side where you have the volume and power button. You can see right over here. Oops. Now push the pin in, and as you will see, the tray comes out ever so slightly, enough for you to take it out. And on the tray you'll have space for SD card at the top side, and at the bottom SIM. So I'm gonna never mind, I don't think I have a SIM tray here. Or do I? I am genuinely not sure if this is filled out or that's how it's supposed to look like. Yeah, I think it's filled out. So I actually don't have a SIM support. Yep. So I'm not gonna try to pop in anything to this tray, but SD card I can put in here without a problem. Now when putting the SIM in, or not SIM but SD, just make sure that it is laying flush on the tray. There we go. It should clip in fully. There we go. As you can see, it's not protruding from the tray whatsoever. So there we go. From there, insert it back into your device. And the card should start working right away. Now the card that I did insert, I think it's a little bit broken, so it might give me some problems. Yep, unsupported SD card, but it does detect that there is an SD card in here, so that's fine. So there we go. That is how you'd insert your SD card into this device, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.